The beach is a captivating landscape where nature unveils its most breathtaking masterpiece. With its vast expanse of sand and shimmering waters, it serves as a canvas upon which nature paints its most exquisite scenes. From the gentle lapping of waves to the vibrant hues of the sunset, the beach offers a sensory experience like no other. As you step onto the soft, powdery sand, you become part of a living artwork. The beach is a sanctuary where the elements harmonize, creating a symphony of sights, sounds, and sensations. The rhythmic crashing of waves against the shore creates a soothing soundtrack, inviting you to relax and embrace the tranquility that surrounds you. Nature's brushstrokes are evident in the vibrant colors that adorn the beach. The crystal-clear waters reflect the azure sky above, creating a mesmerizing blend of blues. As the sun begins its descent, the sky transforms into a kaleidoscope of warm oranges, pinks, and purples, casting a magical glow over the landscape. But it's not just the visual beauty that captivates. The beach is a haven for a diverse array of wildlife, showcasing nature's remarkable biodiversity. From tiny crabs scuttling across the sand to majestic seabirds soaring above, every creature plays a part in this masterpiece. Dolphins gracefully dance through the waves, while seashells of all shapes and sizes decorate the shoreline, adding a touch of whimsy to the scene. The beach is also a place where nature's forces are on full display. The ebb and flow of tides, sculpting the sand into intricate patterns, remind us of the constant evolution of our world. The gentle sea breeze carries the scent of salt and seaweed, awakening our senses and connecting us to the raw power of the ocean. Whether you seek solitude and reflection or vibrant social interactions, the beach offers something for everyone. It's a place to build sandcastles, play beach volleyball, or simply bask in the sun's warm embrace.